Good morning, hello, and welcome to Pink Woolf once again. Today's session is going to be about how to create lather from shaving soaps, and we are going to walk through three different methods of making lather. The first requirement that you have is you need to have a mug of warm water. So while I'm getting the brush and the razor together, and then once you have the warm water, take the brush, dip it in, take the razor, dip it in as well. Keep it there for about 5 to 7 minutes, however long it takes you to get ready to start shaving. The warm water is going to help open up the pores on your face, and therefore allow the hair to be a lot more softer and also erect. So when the blade comes through, it's able to cut it cleanly without any irritation at all. Now moving on to how to make lather. The first method is going to be about using the dry soap and a moist shaving brush. Now in this method, when I say moist, this is not moist, this is wet. It's got enough water captured inside, and it's just gonna keep dropping and dropping and dropping. So what we will do is squeeze out the water and just leave it a little bit moist. And that moist brush is what we will use on the dry soap to start generating lather. When you start rotating, you don't need to have pressure or force, or you don't need any muscles to make lather. All you need to do is rotate for, let's say, 20 times, and you'll get the first layer of lather. Now this layer of lather, usually what I do is apply it to my face and then come back with an empty shaving brush, so to say, and then I keep applying onto my face as well. If you feel that the lather is a little bit runny, or it's got too many bubbles, which in this case it does have, just take a dip. You don't need to soak it in, just a little dip, and that's more than enough to start rotating the brush once again inside the jar. You'll see all this lather coming out. Now usually when I'm shaving, all this lather will be applied on my face. But in this case, we just want to show you how to make this lather. So I mean, in a very short time, you can see that the lather made with minimal effort is quite a lot. It's thick. It's a little bubbly right now. It's the first method, but as we go along, you'll see the different types of lather being made. Now this small method has given us quite a bit of lather, which will be good enough for the first pass, and many a times in my shaves, it's helped me go out to the second pass as well. It's not been an issue. So that's the first method: a moist shaving brush and a dry shaving soap.